Hey, what's up guys, so let's try to build a component, a chat component, just the design, just the visuals. So let's try to build this component. For start, we need to build, we'll have a container. So container, let's try that, and let's have a card inside. This divides a card. Okay. Div. That's nice. And so that's all we need for now. And for the design, that container. So we'll have this display flex. And that card will have that as. So we have a min height, maybe a 500 px. Let's try to set a background so we can distinguish what color we are at. So it's very green. Got a min height and so we have a min width. 500 px. Okay, nice margin, auto. Alright, find content, center, line item center, height, 100 view height. So we have that, will act as our chat window. And for the card, let's have an item. So we'll have a div container. Got a class of a chat list. Okay. So in the chat list we'll have a chat item. So it's also a div. Div of class chat item. So this is the chat item. Start with a P. Test. Okay. So we have a chat item. We'll have that left. We'll have a chat item right. There we go. So here we got that left, and we got that right. So what we can do is we can try to change this to CSS. So there we go. So we can nest inside, and the component will have to update as a CSS so that we can record. Let's get this chat list. Chat list. Get that. And get this left right. Inside dot chat item. Paste that there. So in the chat item, in chat list first. So this is just like this. Chat item. So it's supposed to be here. Okay, let's have it like this. Okay, here we go. And we have this display flex, direction, column, margin, top, auto. Okay, card, chat list. Set the background for this so you can see. Okay, so we have minimum height. So for this to work, we'll have to flex direction column. Okay. Alright. Let's delete that. So kind of have something here. You just copy this. Alright. Okay, usually it just goes out. But the way that we'll fix that on chat item first is we'll define a minimum width. Sorry, a maximum width. Let's say 80%. Here we go. And we'll go to the left. The left is, or the right. Where is it? Okay, so it goes out. We can fix that later on. For now, I like to go and set another color for this red. There we go. So they had that. And we set a margin. Okay, px stop. And yeah, 16 px bottom. Okay, let's try 0. There we go. Then let's just p chat item p overflow wrap. Get text overflow. So this. Okay. Okay, let's just approach that later on. So we have this on the left. You can just, oh sorry, we are on talking on the right. Margin right 0. Margin left. So well, for this one, it's gonna be completely opposite. There we go. Set a padding of this. Now we set a padding for margin 0. Let's set a padding here of apx top and 16px on the side. Here we changed the like an offset of apx. Let's try that. There we go. Sorry. So apx and we set a border radius of like 25px. Let's try that. It's too much. Sorry, 8. There we go. The problem here is the wrap part. So it's supposed to do this. Okay. So try to have this display flex direction column. Flex wrap. Let's try the flex wrap. Doesn't do anything. Doesn't do anything on this one. Alright, let's remove this. Okay, let's just skip that for now and move on to actual application on the data. So here we'll have like a user entity or user variable. So have the current user equals, we got a name, I can call it John though. We have an ID, so I can just ID1. Then we'll have other users as well, so we can have a user1 equals complete, have the same one, same set, and we can also just Jane though. We'll have a height of 2. We'll have a height of user2, which will height of 3. Then this one will go look at Joseph Doe. Then here we'll have a chat list, chat messages. Okay, let's just call it that. Now let's have a type on this. So in here, for just for you to see the actual structure, we'll have a user, which the user sent that. So this will be object, okay, like that, or any. They'll have a message, then the message is a string. This for now. User, just that current user, I'll ask, I guess. Got a message like yo, what's up? Okay, just a mistake. What's up? You could just copy this one. 2, 3. Yo, what's up? Then we'll have this one. We got the user 1, and we'll have the user 2. So not much. How about you? Let's have that. Response and the user response. Like we should go on a vacation or something. Let's have that and save it. Here we'll use this on this one, so we'll come back to this wrapping point later on. And for now, delete this. You can actually have it just have it on container, or yes, okay, we'll have it in the container. Non-container, which then holds this data of num4, that item of chat messages. Then we put this one inside. Okay, we paste that there. And for this, we're gonna use the nav class. For the nav class, we'll have a ride. Okay, ride if the ID of the message, or the user ID of the message, item that user that ID is equals to current user that ID. Then we'll have a supporting ones, which is for the left ones. Not equal. Let's have that. Okay, and let's update this. Item without message. There we go. So in here, in the chat item, you can have an image and src. So I'm gonna need a new tab over here. Let's just search for avatars. Just go for that. Image. Let's go with this one. Open image, a new tab. Open image, a new tab. And open image, a new tab. Let's get this, and we'll add another one here, which is the profile image. Okay, profile image URL. There we go. I also have the same for this one. Boom. Boom. There we go. Let's have this inside. Let's have this inside. Where is that? Okay. Alright. And actually, it's just another message for that lorem ipsum. I'm gonna search lorem ipsum. Okay. Where is that? Let's copy this one. For here, just to be ready. I'm just gonna copy. It's gonna be a reply from me. Just the current user message. Boom. Okay. Boom. Yep. That's it. Then src. It will have dynamic. It will be binded. But item dot user dot profile image URL. Alright. Alright. Okay. So I think this is actually okay. Let's have that. As you can see, it's quite set for now, because what we'll actually do is we'll have this as flex direction row, and here we have the avatar. Let's just have ID. So message body, and on the image let's have an ID of avatar. Yep, avatar and message body. So this becomes message body, and this becomes avatar, which will have a hide. The 4px, let's try that. Array with, and the background red will be moved onto the message body. Okay, and also the margin is also moved at the message body. Let's try that. Does it work? Okay. Let's revert back. Okay. Let's check this one. Okay. Yep. Okay, let's try this last one. No. So object fit contain, no cover. There we go. Okay, yep, that's good. The chat item shouldn't have this one. Okay. So I just realized the chat item is this for the right, should have a reversed row dash reverse. There we go. And we already have a good amount of padding or margin over here. The next one we should adjust is the space, this space on the avatar. Let's just make the circular first. Border radius is try 50%. There we go. I think the size is too small. Let's go over to 36. 36. There we go. And the padding is padding here is not that looking good, so just try to auto this. That's good, that's good. Or let's try 16px. Okay, 16px. How does that look? Sorry. Nope. That is auto. It's good. And it will run on the batting instead. Like just this one. Let's try 16px. Too big, it's too big. About 8. 8 not bad. 8 not bad. Border radius is going to be moved on the message body. That way, so here, okay, we'll just have the message body will have a margin of here 8 pixels on the right. There we go. Okay, I guess that's it for the like the basics. Now let's try to adjust the design. Since I used the, let's try to get a like inspiration, modern design, chat, UI. Let's go to image. What you got? Okay, not this one in dark mode. Messenger. There we go. Oh, this looks nice. Let's open this up. Exploration chat room. Redirection to dribble. Okay, I like this one. Let's go for this one. We do need a date though. So let's try to how do we do this? Let's just go and copy the first messages design first. Let's copy that. Colors. Okay, and just check again. So this works by having a lot of padding in the message body. So you got like a 30px padding, or maybe a 24px padding. If that looks good, this looks great. And the border radius is adjusted, maybe it's just 30. Yep. Also this will be 16. It's too big. Maybe just 8. 12. Just go for 8. Okay, so probably have to offset the message. Okay, so we'll adjust this by, let's try this as an idea first. Margin left, let's make it 10 px. Okay, then we control the top ones of 20 or 10. Okay, so in this one will completely be offered in here by the chat item hashtag message dash body. Okay, let me do it right. Chat item message body left. Oh, okay. Okay. Just message body. For here, on the right, we'll have an opposite ones. There we go. Oops. To the right. Oops. No. It's just correct. It's just the margin left will be instead of. Okay. Why is it not adjusting? Okay. Okay, it's correct, but we do it on margin right. Oops. Next one is the avatar. I got a Z index. Try to up the Z index. And the way that we fixed the padding that we had here, like this one, it's gonna have a border. Could either have a border of white or the same as the background ones. And we do that. Where is that? Okay. Border 5px solid. Let's try black first. Okay, then we'll have something here like okay, let's try clear variable CSS. There we go. It's just a variable for this one. Alright. Background. Okay. Green. There we go. And how to use this, I forgot. Okay. I don't know the difference. That's okay. Yep. We're just gonna have to find the green ones and substitute background instead. And for this one, we substitute. Where is that? Where is that green? Green. Avatar. Haven't applied it yet. Okay. 5px is too much, maybe 2. Maybe 3. 3. There we go. Okay, so it's really committed. So it's not 10. Okay, we'll do. Okay, so the commitment will be 15px. Let's try how I commit to 15. Okay, let's go back to 10 and let's commit this one to 15. Let's commit this one to 15. Where is that? There we go. Alright. It's committed. Okay. See that? So yeah, it covered the half, almost 50% of the body. So I'm gonna have to adjust that. Let's try 12. Okay, that's too much, so 16. Yep. 18. Okay, it's 18. Okay, 18. Alright. So now let's try to find background and let's replace this as primary background. Is that correct? Okay, not bad. And let's have this. Whoa. Okay, primary dash. Okay. No, that's just. Actually changed my mind. Let's go to background instead of primary. Color. So also let's try have a red first. It's just release all the variables. And on the message body we'll call just primary, go with primary. And replace this one with this. Alright. Next one, I convert this to white. And I elevate the card. So where did I do that? So I could go to filter or box shadow. So let's just try to add shadow. And I add shadow with 1px, 1px, 6px, black. Okay. Convert this to 0, 0, 16. It's too much. 5. Okay. Okay. Let's have a border radius here of like 1px. Let's try that. It's not looking good. Let's convert this to other color like RGBA 0.5. And last for this one I'll have a padding 16px. Alright, now next is color. What is this? Violet. I'm just gonna try to fill out the color. And not focus too much on the color itself. Go. And the counter for this one is white. So color white. Yep. Looking good. Okay. Let's see. I have a time. So for that time, it's quite easy. We'll just add a time here. Where is that? There we go. We got created add have a date. Date. Okay. Created ad. I can either have a date or a string. Let's go for string. Number is not assignable to string. Why? Oof. I see. So let's just go with a number. And where do they say the numbers are? So it just gets the time. We could use a pipe for this one on the side of here. We'll have like a let's try to have a span and go and call this. Oh, okay, don't need item dot created at, and we call how to call it? Okay, call fun. Okay, late pipe angular. Okay. I need this. Boom. See that? Yep, that's right. Yeah. 790 for this. Okay. Could I put this at the bottom of the side, but it wants the side. So time details. Let's go for that, I guess. I wanted the CSS. We'll have it at this part. Boom. Let me just check out what's going on between this. Okay, it's big because of the margin and the padding. It's definitely padding. No? Okay. Gotta hide, fit. Hot. There we go. And it's got a margin. Auto 0. Oof. Why is that? Oh. Chat item. Sit on this reflex. It is. Okay. Let's change this one back. Okay. So the margin that we had, it's not adjusting to the height of the chat item. Which, if we change the background, we'll have it all connected for the whole message. So that is the reason why this isn't adjusting. It's technically centered for this part, but for this one, it can either be included in the message body, or we'll just have to apply the offset. So I guess for this one, we'll just add an offset for the time details, which is this one, this part. So yeah, it's after this one, margin top. Let's try that. Oops, it's not margin, it's padding. Okay, 16px. Boom, save. And where is that? It's actually at the bottom. But that's okay. Let's have 930 for that. So yeah. Sums the font, it's okay. Now let's try having a send message. So of course this is just for our side, no one can reply, but it's okay, it's just a proof of concept, I guess. So in the chat list will just contain this part. I'll have a class of a div of class of chat footer, boom, div, and this one will have the input. Okay, yep, that's it. For this, the card will not take the padding. Where's the card? Instead, just the chat list will contain that. Okay. Yep, see. So input. This is a text area. Okay. Have an ID. Let's put an ID of message body. Oops. Okay, it's not message. So chat text area. Okay. Let's just go for this one. Start to think of a proper name. And we'll include it in the chat footer. That chat footer, then chat text area, that. Yep, okay. We'll also have a button. And in that button we'll have an icon, src calls. Okay, you just find a send icon. Ooh, nice. Hope there's a PNG. Pulling a new tab. No need to save it. Oops, I think I messed it up. I messed it up. Okay, is that an image though? No? How can I get this one? I want it to be PNG so that I can change the color. There we go. Put a link in new tab. Put an image in new tab. Please be PNG. It's not PNG. Come on, PNG. Oops. Could have saved it, but it's not really the purpose. Come on. Okay, let's just use this one. Ugly. Okay, I have no choice. There we go, we have that. Then the approach that I'll do is on the chat footer. We also have a display flex direction of row, and you have a chat area, and this will have an ID send button. Yep. Just go and copy this. And have it right there. Let me see if I... Yep, there are IDs. Okay. For this send button, just copy this one, the height and the width. Oh, what happened? Did I crash? Luckily I didn't. Target the image of that. Oh, it's just ugly. 100 feet. Cool. Hope this will fix that. Okay, you know what? Let's just remove the image. It's annoying. Just have a send there. Yep, that looks better. Better with 100%. Let this work. So the jet footer is going contained with a card. So I think flex one will work. Doesn't. We can't do the viewport since. Oh, I see the mistake. So here we have a flex one. There we go. So on this one, I think I'll prefer to have a padding of like 16 or 8. Yep, I think that's good. You also have to kind of have an elevation, so that is done with drop shadow or the box shadow. I'll prefer drop shadow for now. So this is a negative 50 16px black. Let's try that. px. Oops. What's going on? Background is dollar background. There we go. That's it. That's what we're looking for. 8. So it's not 5. 0. Negative 0. Let's try 0. Yep. We're on the wrong direction. So I get 10. Okay, that doesn't look good. Okay, so I think what we can do is just have the background like try gray. It looks ugly. Yep, I think the background will work. And let's just have a border top of the primary. Let's try that. One big solid primary. Yep. Why isn't it working? Ah, okay. Forgot the dollar sign. Oops. Okay. 5. does not look. I think I got it the button too much. Let's see. Let's try 8. There we go. It looks not cool. Not cool. To 16. Where's that? Where's that design? Just come back to the design. There we go. So we got a circular button. Okay. What we do have is a non-background, but it does have a shadow for the elements inside. Okay, let's try the text area. Let's try margin APX. Zero APX. Go border radius 0 or border 0 px. But we'll give you a shadow, box shadow, like 0 px, 0 px, 0, 0, 16 bx, black. Okay. 5. Same for the bottom. Border 0. Maybe drop shadow. What? Okay. Alright. Background. You got a background of white. Yeah. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Just want a minimum height of like 100 pixels. Let's try to. They do adjust. Let's try 50. Yeah, 50 is good. 50 is good. Let's have a margin for the bottom too. Sorry, it's not a margin, it's padding. Yep, there we go. Yep, okay. So we can send and we can type. Oops, what is that? Okay. This is padding 16px. Let's try that. Okay. We'll have a send once. Okay, looks good, looks good. Okay. Yep. We return to now model. So here, chat input message. String equals. Yep, let's go for this one. Default value. Then here we got send. Yep. Use that. Just save this, save that, and have a no model here. Wait. Doesn't need now model. No model equals setting the next message. So let's just try to console. Try to push this dot chat messages dot push. Chat. Oops. Chat input message. For the message. Then for the user, just that current user, and let's send this. I created data now. Chat input message. Okay, this. Got this. Oops, I haven't find the event. Click send. There we go. Hide. Oh, we forgot to reset. So this only comes. Yep, that's right. This is the chat input message. Close. Reset. And you bind a disabled if chat input message dot length is equals 0, so you can send unless you type hide. So yeah, that's it for the basics. So that is like the basic, just like the structure. That is specifying all the basic functionalities of these components. Oh, we forgot this one. Forgot something, which is here. Which is on this one, the card that has the max width. Here on the checklist, just try to refresh. We got overflow scroll. I'll add that. So, oops, overflow Y. There we go. You see that for now, it's okay. So it doesn't do it for us for now, since we haven't either declare a hide. See? Yep, there we go. So the problem here is here you send, it doesn't scroll, so we add the scroll to bottom. Okay, I guess we're gonna use this over here. We send first, then we scroll to bottom. Okay, overflow scroll. Okay, document dot get a chat list container equals document dot get element by ID. List. We can also access this via view element. We'll try that after. Just have the same name. No variable conflict as far as I know. There we go. Chat list. There we go. Let's just be cool. And type this one. Dot scroll top chat list contain chat list container dot height. So scroll height. Yep. So here, it still doesn't do it for us. Oops, no. Okay, let's try saving. Send scroll. Okay, let's check if we are getting the proper element. Here we go. It's not the color, it's this chat list for sure. Background, green. See, this is the one. It's not quite scrolling. No. It's supposed to scroll. What's up? Show 1000. Let's do it for us. Which, I'm just gonna have the chat list container. Okay. And, start changing. Let's go and add view element. View child list, sorry. Okay, the name and the select false. This is an element ref. Element ref. The name is almost the same. Okay, and here in the scroll button, let's comment that first. This dot, this dot, to element. Skip this. Dot scroll top. Let's scroll high. Try that. Still doesn't work. Oh, stupid. Because I wasn't calling the function. I see. I see. Chat-based container. Let's move this back. This one, let's try. By the way, in this part, we can call this function on like after view init. Let's try that. Now after view. Now after. So there's a lifecycle list now after view component. After view check. Yep. Now after view make the check. Sorry. Now after content checked. Does that work? Okay. No. Wait. It's not under connection. View checked. I see. Let's go with this one. Yep, I think that's it. Yep, alright, we got it. So here, there we go. Okay, so, okay, understand. Yep, okay. So yeah. We can add another function like an enter, but I think this is good for now. So I hope you like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.